Meaning of deprivation.
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 Deprivation. Deprivation refers to the state of lacking basic necessities or comforts, which can result in a range of negative consequences. When someone experiences deprivation, they may struggle with physical and mental health problems, have difficulty meeting their basic needs, and be at greater risk for social and economic challenges. Deprivation can also impact children's development, leading to long-term consequences such as lower academic achievement, poor health outcomes, and reduced earning potential later in life. Overall, deprivation is a serious issue that can have significant and far-reaching effects on individuals, families, and communities.